Hello, good morning everybody. Last time we have completed chapter number 1, that is index number. After completing index number, we are going to see chapter number 2, that is linear correlation. In statistics, chapter number 2, linear correlation. Statistics part 1. First of all, we see the meaning and definition of correlation. What is correlation? Two variables are said to be correlated. Two variables or more than two variables are said to be correlated if there exists the relationship of cause and effect. What is cause and effect? If the change in the value of one particular variable, if the variation or changes in the value of one particular variable affects directly or indirectly on the other related variable, then they are known to be correlated. For example, I give you a simple example. Rise in the cost of petrol, diesel, that is fuel. Ultimately, transportation charges and price of essential things goes up. Means one variable is increasing, at the same time other related variable, transportation cost and etc., material cost are going to increase. They are said to be correlated. Similarly, if prices of things or commodities become high, then particularly demand, simultaneously demand become slightly low. Means if there are simultaneous changes, in the values of two variables due to direct or indirect cause and effect, then it is said to be, means it is said that there is correlation between two variables. Means the correlation is said to be linear correlation. This is the particular meaning and definition of correlation. More examples of correlation: rainfall and agricultural output, supply of the raw material and industrial gain, and etc. are the positive correlation examples. Height and weight of the person, as height increases, particularly weight also increases. Price and demand of the commodities, radius of the circle and area or circumference of the circle, they are also positively correlated. There are mainly two types of correlation, means type of the nature of correlation. Correlation may be positive, correlation may be negative. When the correlation is said to be positive and when the correlation is said to be negative, if the varies or changes or fluctuations remains in the same direction, if both the variables are varies in the same direction, means if the changes or variations in the values of two correlated variables are in the same direction, increase then other variables also increase, decrease then other variables also decrease, means in the same direction variations are there, then the correlation between them is said to be positive correlation. If the variations or changes are in the opposite direction, if the one variable is increasing at the same time the other related variable is decreasing, it is a good example, price and demand. Pressure and volume of the gas, pressure increases then volume decreases. Price increases, ultimately price increases, it become high, then demand slightly become low. They are the good example of negative correlation. Means if the changes are in the value, changes in the values of the two correlated variables are in the opposite direction, then the correlation between them is said to be negative correlation. Different methods for studying correlation. There are three different methods for studying correlation, namely the scatter diagram method, it is dot diagram method also known. Means this is graphic method, diagrammatic method. This scatter diagram method, Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation, it is also known as Karl Pearson's product moment method, and last one, Spearman's coefficient of rank correlation. These are the three different methods for studying correlation. we see the first, the scatter diagram method. It is diagrammatic method, graphical method. There are two variables. In linear correlation, generally we are going to study two variables. By taking one variable on x-axis and other variable on y-axis. By taking one variable on x-axis and other variable on y-axis. Horizontal line x-axis, vertical line is y-axis. And this is origin. And by plotting the values, by plotting the points in the coordinate plane in the coordinate system, the resulting diagram is known as dot diagram or the scatter diagram. If the scatter diagram of this type, from lower left hand corner to the upper right hand corner in a straight line system, then correlation is said to be perfect positive correlation. I have written perfect positive, and in that case the value of r equal to +1. If the points are plotted such type, means near a distance, then correlation is said to be positive of the high degree, and the value of r between 0.5 and 1. 0.5 less than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 1. If the points are plotted from lower left hand corner to the upper right hand corner, means far a distance, then positive correlation of low degree. This is of high degree and this is of low degree, and value of r between 0 and 0.5. Similarly, the points are scattered, plotted from upper left corner to the lower right corner, upper left corner to the lower right corner in a straight line system, then correlation is said to be perfect negative correlation, and the value of r is -1. Similarly, negative correlation of high degree, negative correlation of low degree. For negative correlation of high degree, value of r between -1 and -1.5, and negative correlation of low degree, the value of r between -0.5 and 0. Finally, we see the absence of correlation. There is no correlation. No correlation of linear correlation. Existence of correlation means absence of correlation. If the points are scattered in haphazard manner, without any slope, without any direction, then value of r is 0 and there is no correlation at all. It is said that absence of correlation. Now this is the diagrammatic method, graphical method, and the main limitation or main drawback of this method. As this is the graphic method, we can understand, we can obtain only the type or the nature of the correlation, but not the exact magnitude, exact value of r, of coefficient of correlation with the help of scatter diagram method. The main limitation of this method, as this is the graphic method or diagrammatic method, only the nature of the correlation or the type of correlation can be obtained, but the exact magnitude, exact value of r, we can't obtain by using this method. This is the main limitation of this method. Later on, we are going to see Carl-Pearson method and Spearman method. Up to this, please read up to chapter number 2, textbook से पेज 1 to 5 आप read करना, और ये भी होगा तो भी चलेगा. Means these are the far enough for correlation basic and basic concept. Okay, thank you everybody.